what is going on? Listen, look what I got. You guys seen this? This is the DIY MANicure Kit. Excuse the glitter. Ooh. Okay, I create nail care kits, DIY nail care kits for people who maintain their nail care at home, because a great set of nails doesn't start at the nail salon. It doesn't start with your favorite nail tech. It starts with you, you know, like educating your children at home. It starts at home, you know what I'm saying, before you send them off to daycare and then grade school and on and on and on. Nail care starts with you, because these are your nails, and who else should know your nails better than you? Better than you. So I got a package. Let's open it together. I need my, I can rip it. So I just got a package of fresh new kits. Now these are primarily for the men, yes. So your package, your nail care kit wouldn't look all frilly and girly or nothing like that or whatever, but these are like black bags and you can get them customized. So that is the difference between, you know, buying something on Amazon or whatever. You get it customized. It's going to have my great logo on there, which is 31 Status Nails and Beauty. That is my business. Nail Ministry is my brand, and I'm all about my objective, my overall objective in doing business is spreading the gospel through nail care, because listen, we are the hands and feet of God, and so we need to take care of our instruments that are used, you know, to operate in this earth as it is, and do the will of God as it is in heaven. Amen. So you get this kit customized with your name. So, you know, your guys, you can get your name on here. You can get your slogan on here, your business name. You can get your nickname on here, whatever it is. You get a customized keychain or whatever. I will order it, you know, based off like your personality or something peculiar about you. I will look up keychains and get that customized for you. You can choose what color you want your name to be. You can choose what you want this to be, either silver or gold. It comes with a brochure that you will get inside of it, and no worries, you don't have to have a clue on how to take care of your nails, because you're gonna get easy DIY manicure steps on how to do it at home. And guess what? You have a licensed nail educator, not just some random YouTuber who tells you tips on how to take care of your nails, but from a pro standpoint. But I make it simple and plain where you understand. I don't go over your head, and we can do a Zoom call. If you're in my area, we can connect you, come to the salon, and we can do a whole nail empowerment session, and I can show you different ways and techniques on how to implement your nail care. And whatever questions that you have, why my nails do this, why my nails are dry, why this and why that, why it doesn't grow, I can give you professional answers and give you practical ways on how to maintain it and get better. So if you are a nail biter, stop chomping on your nails and take care of your nails, and that's going to y'all know what I'm trying to say, give you a great reason why you don't want to diminish the progress that you have going on. So that's all I got. I ain't got no more. It also tells you the contents that are inside, and it's great. And for this month only, because this is the month of fathers, we're celebrating fathers this month. Oh, and we are celebrating Juneteenth, which is Black culture. But anybody can get this. I'm just saying, that's June. So you have a promo code that you can use if you go to my website to order, 31statusnailministry.com. Use the promo code Father's Day.